Saliva HCV Antibody Detection Kit is our company-independent research and development of rapid detection of hepatitis C products. This kit is used for the qualitative detection of hepatitis C virus, HCV, Ig antibody in human oral mucosal exudate using colloidal gold ionochromatography. Unlike traditional blood tests, you can easily, quickly and painlessly test yourself for hepatitis C virus infection in less than 15 minutes using our Saliva Hepatitis C kit. This kit has done a lot of clinical verification. The total coincidence rate reached 97.75%. The package is available in boxes of 20 persons and boxes of individual persons. The product includes cotton swab, diluent and test card. If you need more details, please feel free to contact us by phone or email. The packing box contains a test card, a cotton swab and a diluent. Step 1. Tear the package of the cotton swab. Put the cotton swab in the mouth, between the upper cheek and the gums and wipe it back and forth for several times. And then hold the swab for 2 minutes until the secretion produced in the mouth is soaked through the sampling swab. Step 2. Put the sampling swab into the diluent bottle, repeatedly stir, and squeeze it out, and mix evenly. Step 3. Tear open the packing of the sample adding card. And add 3 drops of the mixed sample into the sample adding hole on the test card. Step 4. Observe the results within 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the results are invalid.